Did you know that air pollution killed 4.2 million people in 2019? Polluted air has the same health impact as smoking. The smoke volume depends on where you live. Now, the World Health Organization said that. And you think that all this sort of heavy breathing action is going to protect you. My point is there's no need to worry. I know what you're thinking. What can I do? I have a solution that provides premium air filtration, even if you have this dude living in your house.
Hey, come to the pool!
It's simple. For you, we have crafted the air mask. This little baby filters out 97% of all particles up to 0.1 micron. What's a micron? I don't know either, and it doesn't matter. The point is, this mask is made from the finest eco-friendly moisture-wicking bamboo fabric and a 5-layer filter. 5 layers. You think your little paper mask has 5 layers? No. The point is, it filters out dust, pollen, gas and other hazardous materials.
Brother, your numbers are great, you're doing well, keep going.
Exhaust fumes. We've also designed 5 timeless colours for you to wear for all your activities. It looks good while training, commuting, heading to work, or just hanging. This is a new kind of mask, where function meets style. You actually feel comfortable breathing in it, and you can even choose your oil-infused filter depending on the mood you're in. Now, I don't know about you, but I've always thought that breathing was a huge bonus. We are an experienced, independent company that believes in the goodness of people. We also believe that you have the right to know the true cost behind our masks, so that we can deliver them direct to you at the minimum cost. We have sourced the best eco-friendly materials and ethical factories to create timeless masks to wear for years. The air mask is ready to go. Partner with us and get yours.
I love exploring the jungle and water. Just looking for another sky. Skybox is the best companion for my journey. It always keeps me backed up. It is so light and small, it fits in my pocket easily. With its huge storage capacity, I never have to worry about space to store all my videos and photos. With just one click, I can copy and save all my files wherever I am. The included Skybox app is very user-friendly. It informs me of the progress of transfer. And I can view my photos and videos instantly too. It also supports wireless 4K video streaming. To make the most of my time, I often upload and edit on the go. Back at my desk, I can just plug in my Skybox as a hard drive and work directly on my files. With its unbeatable transfer speed, it only takes me seconds to transfer large files. I carry my Skybox everywhere I go, sharing wonderful moments with my friends. Skybox, backing up your memories on the go.
Meat Whipper, the world's first 3-in-1 stand-up paddle, cross-country ski, and rowing machine, specifically designed for travel and home gyms. Whipper makes the need for big, bulky machines obsolete by providing smooth resistance and a realistic paddling, skiing, and rowing experience. It's so good that we managed to impress a former NASA engineer.
Yeah, it's solid. It feels well built. This feels like a good piece of equipment. That's pretty awesome. I'm breathing. That was like a minute. I'm not even max resistance and I'm breathing a little bit. I like it, you guys. I'm impressed. I'm a believer now that actually having seen it and used it.
Like all great inventions, Whipper was created out of necessity.
I spend a lot of time on the road filming for Discovery Channel, and it's difficult to get a good workout in when you're living out of a suitcase. So there I was staring down yet another dirty hotel gym with broken equipment, and I just thought, there's gotta be a better way. I looked everywhere for a portable rowing machine, a ski or paddle machine, and I just couldn't find one. So I teamed up with some really smart people to build one that does all three.
We partnered with Shape Products, a world-class design firm in Canada, to take on the challenge. After several prototypes, Whipper's patent-pending planetary gearbox and clutch system was designed, built, and then miniaturized. Whipper measures just 6 inches by 6 inches and weighs around 6 pounds. It's built for your lifestyle, and you can store it next to your sneakers. It's also great for travel, as it packs easily in your carry-on bag or luggage. Okay, it's cool, it's small, but how does it work? To get started, simply secure Whipper with the inflatable anchor or to almost any fixed object with the webbing anchor. Dial up or down the resistance and add one of our accessories. To stand up paddle, attach our 2-piece adjustable carbon fiber paddle shaft, take a few steps back, and start paddling. To increase difficulty, try adding a stability disc, a Bosu ball, or a balance board. Our paddle shaft is one size fits all and is designed to fit inside a carry-on bag. To cross-country ski, secure our ski accessory to a door, anchor Whipper in the inverted position, adjust the cable length to suit your height, and start skiing. This accessory is also designed for easy travel. To row, attach Whipper to our compact rowing sled, secure your feet, and get to work. When you're done, you guessed it, the sled breaks down in seconds for easy storage or travel. Whipper is a sensibly priced investment in your fitness lifestyle. To get similar functionality out of other machines, you'd have to spend over $4,000 and take up a bedroom in your house. Our Kickstarter pricing will get you all 3 modalities for less than 10% of that.
Right now, the Whipper base unit and the accessories are fully prototyped, they work, and they're ready for production. But to make it happen, we need your help. Your pledge will give us the funding needed for tooling and the initial orders. Our team is the best in the business. We know how to deliver products and our supply chain is already in place. So I'm asking for your pledge today to help us bring this incredible machine to market so everyone can get Whipper fit.
Quell is the future of fitness gaming. This is the first game to offer you a high-intensity, resistance-based combat workout at home. Travel through a fantasy world, fighting enemies with your fists and get fit at the same time. Each fight guides you through an effective workout tailored to your fitness goals. Just slip on the lightweight gauntlet wearable and start in under a minute. Feel every punch like it's real, with customizable resistance and high-performance motion tracking. Quell is real gaming, real exercise, zero compromise.
As every runner knows, competition drives us to work harder, go faster. But when we're on our own, performing at our best is nearly impossible. Sometimes getting the most out of each workout requires a little help. Meet the Ghost Pacer, the ultimate running partner. The Ghost Pacer is the world's first mixed reality headset designed specifically by runners for runners to help you get the most out of every run and workout. With the Ghost Pacer glasses, you get a holographic training partner that you can run with anywhere, anytime. You can set the route and pace for each run through the Ghost Pacer app, giving you that extra competitive edge you've been looking for. Want to run a 5-minute mile or shatter yesterday's personal best? The Ghost Pacer will keep you on track. Through the mobile app, you can get access to thousands of runs in your area and connect to a community of millions of other runners. With the Ghost Pacer, you can race your friends, even when you can't run at the same time. Run against an avatar that matches their route and speed from a previous workout, giving you a competitive advantage and bragging rights. And as you get faster with the power of maximized workouts, the Ghost Pacer is the partner that will improve with you. Like no product before it, the Ghost Pacer is designed to push you to new limits. Anything worth doing takes effort. But with the Ghost Pacer as your partner, you won't be tackling your goals alone. Please back us today and be one of the first to get the workout partner the world has been waiting for.
Your phone is dirty. Clean it up with Cell. Cell has 4 UVC LEDs that can clean your phone in just 60 seconds. Elevated platforms and reflective surfaces mean you only have to clean things once. For larger items, Cell can even be used as a handheld sterilizer. Even if it was not a cutting-edge UV sterilizer, Cell would still be your go-to wireless charger. 2 15-watt wireless charging coils provide super fast charging in any orientation. With PD input, you can even use your existing laptop charger. An extra USB-C port allows for charging wired devices, like our MFI Apple Watch charger. It compresses for portability, expands for UV sterilization, and doubles as a wireless charging phone stand. I guess you could say we thought of everything. While UV sanitizes the inside, the outside of Cell will also stay germ-free. That's right, Cell, the adapter, and the charging cable are all made from antimicrobial materials. Stay clean, stay charged. We're Ampere, and we're back with our 3rd Kickstarter. We make one-of-a-kind products that are as functional as they are eye-catching, like Unravel, Side Pocket, and Full Circle. Cell leverages the same award-winning wireless charging technology that Business Insider and Digital Trends recently dubbed the best of 2020. We design all of our products in-house and work hand in glove with our world-class manufacturing partners to see them through, from idea through production. We love launching on Kickstarter. In exchange for giving you, our backers, exclusive discounts, freebies, and colors, we gain invaluable feedback that allows us to level up our products during the development process. You help shape our products, and you help shape our brand. Thank you for your continued support over the last couple of years, and thank you for helping bring Cell to life.
Or Vessel, quality crafted goods that ensure you're prepared to thrive and survive in your outdoor pursuits. All great adventures tend to begin the same, with an early start. That first sip of coffee as the sun rises. And while we insist on suiting up in the best gear possible, our outdoor coffee experience always fell flat. So we thought, why settle for a mediocre cup of coffee? Why not try to elevate our time outdoors? But when we set out to find a premium hand coffee grinder that lived up to our high standards, we found none durable enough or portable enough to go the extra mile. So we decided to build our own. Introducing Vessel Java. Vessel Java is a high-end constructed, ultra-durable, all-in-one hand grinder designed for the modern adventurer with a fine-tuned homebrew routine who's tired of compromising their coffee while exploring the great outdoors. Flimsy parts can get banged up on the road less traveled. We knew the only way to truly have great coffee anywhere would be to make the most durable hand grinder out there. Java is made of tough aircraft-grade aluminum, so you'll never have to worry about your vessel being able to withstand the journey. We designed the Vessel Java with a never-before-seen easy carry clip and flip signature handle. Simply attach the collapsible carabiner to your pack and easily flip out the handle to prep your brew when the birds start chirping. Feel free to max out the dual-purpose carabiner. With a load-bearing capacity over 200 pounds, you can pack and play as hard as you need. Hand grinders are all about the quality of the blades. We equip Java with the best-in-class stainless steel burr blades. Steel cuts through beans faster, so you spend less time grinding and more time fueling up for the adventures ahead. And thanks to our signature extendable grinder handle and ergonomic hand grip, you can go from beans to brew in under a minute. Once you're done with the grip, simply stow it away in the bottom of the grinder. You'll taste the difference whether you're at sea level or 10,000 feet. Coffee has never tasted better than when it starts with the satisfaction of freshly hand-ground beans. Essential tools like Java should make things easier, not harder. We added a unique quick-release top so you can remove the top, add your beans, and get one step closer to that first sip to start fueling your day. While other grinders on the market lock you into one specific brew system, the Vessel Java comes with 30 unique grind settings. So whether you're a pour-over type or prefer a hand-pressed espresso, the Java makes it easy to select your optimal grind size so you can brew the best cup of coffee anywhere. If you're thinking, why not just pack pre-ground? Well, this Kickstarter may not be for you. For well-caffeinated purists, absolutely nothing compares to the taste and quality of freshly hand-ground beans. By backing us in our production cost of the revolutionary Vessel Java, you're committing to upgrading your outdoor coffee experience from amateur to professional. You're not the type to pack an instant brew in your overnight supplies, and now you won't have to. The Vessel Java is a promise to unite your two worlds. Back Vessel Java today, because why shouldn't you enjoy the best cup of coffee possible in the most epic outdoor setting imaginable?